In the grand scheme of things, whales quietly do the hard work of keeping our planet balanced. They help regulate the climate, sustain marine ecosystems, and even support human economies. Their contributions are vast and irreplaceable. Without them, the oceans and the atmosphere would suffer greatly. By protecting whales, we are actively safeguarding the health of our planet. We owe it to ourselves, future generations, and the planet to protect these magnificent creatures. Every effort to save and restore whale populations invests in a healthier, more stable Earth. By caring for whales, we're preserving an incredible species that is taking a crucial step toward fighting climate change and ensuring that life, both in the ocean and on land, can thrive. Whales are often viewed as majestic creatures of the ocean, but their role goes far beyond that. They are critical to keeping our planet's ecosystems healthy and balanced. Let's break down the many ways in which whales contribute to our world. 1. Whales help capture and store carbon. Think of whales as giant, natural carbon storage units. Throughout their lives, whales absorb massive amounts of carbon dioxide, CO2, a harmful gas contributing to climate change. One whale can capture and store around 33 tons of CO2, much more than large trees. When a whale dies and sinks to the bottom of the ocean, that carbon goes with it, locking it away for hundreds of years. This means whales are helping to remove CO2 from our atmosphere, making the planet a little healthier. 2. Whales feed the ocean. Whales don't just consume food, they also give back to the ocean. Through their poop, urine, and even skin, whales release nutrients like iron and nitrogen into the water. These nutrients are essential for the growth of tiny ocean plants called phytoplankton. Phytoplankton may seem small, but they have a massive impact. They're the food chain's base and capture tons of carbon dioxide, helping fight climate change. 3. Helping tiny plants grow. The iron in whale poop is essential for growing phytoplankton. These microscopic plants are the foundation of life in the ocean, providing food for various creatures, from tiny fish to large predators. They also help remove carbon from the atmosphere. Phytoplankton are so good at capturing CO2 that they account for about 40% of all the CO2 absorbed from the air. 4. Mixing up the ocean waters. Whales are like nature's ocean stirrers. When they dive deep into the ocean and then come back up to the surface, they help mix the water. This mixing spreads nutrients around, ensuring that all parts of the sea get what they need to stay healthy. This process is called biomixing. It's so powerful that it has a similar impact to winds and tides. 5. Whale falls create new ecosystems. When a whale dies and sinks to the ocean floor, its body becomes the foundation of a new ecosystem. Creatures of all kinds, many of which exist nowhere else, thrive around the whale's carcass. These whale falls are essential in creating and supporting life in the deepest parts of the ocean. 6. Boosting economies through whale watching. Whales help the environment and humans. Whale watching tours are hugely popular and generate a lot of money. 2012, this industry brought in over $2 billion worldwide and provided around 13,000 jobs. This shows that protecting whales is not only good for the planet but also beneficial for our economies. 7. Discovering new species. Whales have even led to remarkable scientific discoveries. When researchers study whale falls, they often find species previously unknown to science. So far, 129 new species have been discovered this way, and there could be many more still waiting to be seen. 8. Helping with biotechnology. Believe it or not, whale carcasses have also surprisingly helped us. Scientists have found bacteria on whale remains that produce enzymes beneficial in many industries, such as laundry detergents, pharmaceuticals, and even food processing. This shows that whales contribute to our lives in ways we never imagined. 9. Whales help regulate the climate. Because whales encourage phytoplankton growth, which captures CO2 and store carbon themselves, play an essential role in controlling the Earth's climate. By protecting whales, we are also helping to keep the planet's environment in check. 10. Keeping ocean ecosystems in balance. Whales are critical players in the ocean's food web and influence many other marine species. If whale populations decline, it can create a domino effect that impacts everything from the smallest plankton to large predators like orcas. Protecting whales, we help maintain the delicate balance of the entire marine ecosystem. Whales are nature's quiet helpers, working behind the scenes to keep our world in balance. They help fight climate change by capturing harmful gases, supporting entire ocean ecosystems, and even boosting economies through tourism. Without whales, our oceans would suffer, affecting all life on Earth, including us. Protecting whales isn't just about saving animals. It's about keeping our planet healthy for everyone. By protecting whales, we're making sure future generations have a planet that can support life. Every whale we save helps keep our oceans clean, air breathable, and climate stable. It's a simple but powerful truth. When whales thrive, so do we. Now is the time to take action and ensure these incredible creatures are safe so they can continue their vital work for our planet. Whales are much more than just magnificent ocean creatures. They're essential for keeping our climate stable, our oceans healthy, and our economies thriving. Protecting whales is not just about saving a species, it's about preserving the health of our entire planet. Thank you for subscribing. Please follow for more.